Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. Those of you that are CreativeDex lovers, you're going to get excited. But first, I have some fun panels. So remember, we released the party panel for our gatefold and our stand-ups, and we have other gatefold options. Here is a new one. This one says hello, and it has this fun little tri-dot die on it as well. Let me show you a sample of it. So there it is, hello. Isn't that gorgeous? Look how pretty that is. I know, isn't that fun? So it fits perfectly on the gatefold, or you can use it separately on an A2. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fun? Here it is also on, oh, it's tied. Oh, I always love when they're tied. It's so fun. You can open that up. Hello, my friend. How fun is that to use our phone fold it on the side there? I didn't even know that fit like that so perfectly. Isn't that awesome? Okay, I have a couple more of those samples to show you, but let's move on. Then we are releasing our CreativeDex. Yay. Now this one is really fun because it's very intricate at the top. Look at how fun that little scallop is. I absolutely love it. It's just a little fancier than our other ones, and it just adds so much to it, doesn't it? Isn't that gorgeous? More samples to come because there's a mini in there also, which is fun. We're also releasing what we're calling a mini Slimline box, but don't get stuck on that name. The only reason why we call it mini Slimline is so you know the size, so you have an idea of what the size is. This is what it looks like. Isn't this fun? And this is what it looks like. It is a box. Now, get the mini Slimline out of your head. I'm almost feeling like we shouldn't have named it that, but that's the size of it. So that's why we wanted you to have that size idea in your head. But look at how cute these boxes are. Sending you lots of love. Isn't that adorable? I love these. They're so much fun. You could put little treats in there. You could put little gifts. You could put anything you want. They open on the side like this. And let me show you how easy peasy that is to do. What you're going to do, and let me show you, there are 3 dies in this set. 1, 2, 3. This big one is, ooh, that's a big die, right? So that does the main box. Now these 2 flaps are a little interesting. The way we did this at the lowest price possible is you are going to glue this flap and this flap together to make the real flap. So you can see I have the big part of the die on the bottom of the black, and then the little part, and then the flaps on the side, and I'm just going to fold those in, and that creates it. Now we did it this way because it's going to be a very strong box. I know some of you might be thinking, well, they went overboard on those flaps. No, no, no. We did it on purpose so it would be a very, very sturdy box. This is a very sturdy box, which is nice. Now, could you mail it by itself? No, but if you put it in another box, you could mail it. But look how cute it is. Now, another thing though to think about, and who did this one? Michelle did this one. You could also open it like this if you wanted. So just leave one side open and you can open it like this. So there's those flaps, right? And look, she even included some Slimline cards in here. So what if you were going to make a gift for someone that does not craft? I cannot believe there's people that don't craft. And you wanted to give them a whole bunch of cards that they could give to other people. Isn't that awesome? And she even included little envelopes in here that she made using our Slimline die, our Slimline envelope die. So that is literally a gift in itself, right? Because, and this is, so I know I'm going to get the question, this is 4 Slimline cards and envelopes, and there's still room for more. There's still room for more. So more than 5 would fit. But look how cute. She made a little window. How awesome is that? What a fun gift. Now, let's jump in and look at some more hello panels. Look how cute that guy is. Look how pretty this one is. Oh my goodness. So you could do the hello on the sides. You could do it on the inside. Oh wow, that one is just so pretty. Let's look at some more. Here's a fun one on a decal edge. You could do a decal edge if you wanted. And all of our fun CreativeDex, I love these. You guys, these are so much fun. Now, don't forget, there's also a mini in there because sometimes you just need some filler in your CreativeDex. And it's just so fun. I know some of you are like so into the CreativeDex. Well, this one is you're gonna love this one because there's so many options. Here's a cute one with pictures on it, so fun. Here's a little recipes one. I love these. They're just so dang cute. You could do a mini Dex just on these. Here's a fun one. Thank you with the bees. Oh, here's a trick or treat. I love these. My friend and you mean the world to me. Gorgeous. Now, boom. These are all on the website. Can I tell you a little secret? Some of you might not know this. We release items on the 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th of each month. The first 24 hours, they are on our website. Most items are on a flash sale. So we have our normal everyday low prices. Then we put them on for the first 24 hours or until sold out. We put them, most items, we put on flash sale. Then our club members get the club price on top of that. So it's double discounts and you pay even less. So go to our websites. I like to go the night before because that's when we release it. And you can get all of these goodies. Mark your calendars for those dates. The 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th. The night before. Trick, the night before. So nothing's sold out. And you can get those items usually at an amazing flash sale price. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.